brand continues pushing boundaries with the Air Rev in Black Infrared 23, now available at a lowered price of $255. This bold golf-ready silhouette combines heritage and innovation, dressed in iconic Bred colors, black uppers, Flint Grey midsoles, and infrared 23 accents, for a true nod to Chicago roots. Notably, the Air Rev introduces external air for the first time in Nike or Jordan footwear, featuring a movable zoom unit in the trail foot and plush Formula 23 foam in the lead foot. Engineered for golf swings and comfort, the design also replaces traditional laces with a dial and cable system for fast, precision lockdown. After its star-studded debut at Michael Jordan's Golf Combine, the Air Rev's functional appeal and standout design elevate both its on-course and off-course potential. The fusion of cutting-edge cushioning and signature Jordan aesthetics solidifies this drop as a performance-driven option for golfers seeking style, innovation, and legacy all in one shoe.